Are you confused in decorating the interior or exterior of your home or business? Need to add some life to your living spaces? Plants are the perfect solution. Liven up your space with plants that complement your interior or exterior design. You don't need to be an expert to bring in indoor or outdoor plants. Let BAF, the leading distributor of preserved palms and indoor-outdoor artificial trees and flowers, select the right plants for the right locations. We are experts with 22 years of experience and have a beautiful selection of artificial plants that can be delivered quickly and easily to any location. Over 15,000 projects, over 250,000 artificial trees, over 1,800 preserved and artificial palm trees, over 9,000 artificial landscapes, over 15 malls and shopping centers, over 1,200 commercial business facilities, over 15 theme park and attraction centers. Studies have shown that adding plants to your space not only beautifies your decor, but also boosts your mood and decreases stress, anxiety, and depression. BAF provides the best interior decor solutions for both commercial and residential areas. Our highly experienced team ensures that the design and implementation process are simple and fast. Wait no more. Contact BAF today and enhance the beauty of your environment. Plants will make your business or home amazing. Visit our website or Instagram to see our latest designs and selections.